Welcome to our tips and tricks. Today we'll be showing you some servicing tricks on our ERC cooktop. Be it by any capacity, be it by any model, the concept of and the mechanism is all the same. So we have come across one issue in our cooktop where directly when we put it on to the mains plug, it's supposed to come on warm mode. But we have some cooktops in the gradual usage, it comes to cook mode, where there will be no cutoff and the food will get burnt and totally it is in disorder. Here we will show you a small symptom where we have come across initially during the on mode. During the on mode, it's supposed to come in warm mode. When we put on the ERC, the OK ERC should come on the warm mode. You can see here, it is in warm mode. But again, I'll show you a problematic ERC where during initial on itself, it is going to cook mode. You can observe here, it is coming to the cook mode. Actually, it should not come to the cook mode. It should be in the warm mode only. The good ERC, the OK ERC should be in warm mode. What we found out is, one of the major reason is, the micro switch sometimes comes in an open condition. You see, this micro switch does not function. This micro switch becomes in an open condition. When it is in open condition, the thermostat will not work and it will go to a direct cook mode and the food will get burnt. So that is what will happen in direct cook mode. So what we observed is the micro switch and the lever. There is one more symptom what we observed. If you can see on the lever, that is a small projection where it should be raised a little bit towards the micro switch. So when we press this lever to on position, this comes in contact with the micro switch. Then automatically it goes to the warm mode. But in this case, what we found is it goes to the cook mode and the temperature will not control and the food will get burnt. Now we are showing you how to set right the issue. If you see that lever is slightly bent, it is flat actually. We should raise it a little bit where it comes in contact with the micro switch. Now you see the problem is rectified. The lever was slightly pushed up. Now it comes to the warm mode. In case of any assistance, please call on 6364 914 202. Thank you for being our valuable customer.